I don't want to criticize anybody. You know, Danmar, Dayaw, with all due respect, you need to deactivate your fake account. You know, Denzel Joshua had already warned you. Oh, if you create defamation at Rodelio Daguman, I'm saying to you, do not blame me. You will be suing court in Pasay. Oh, Danmar Dayaw, you need to deactivate the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. I'm telling you. You're the one who created this fake account. Oh, I reported to Jardino. I reported to Patrick Eason, even J. Rick Silva. You're the one who started this How would you blame a person that he doesn't do anything? Me, I respect Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Rodelio and I, we're former friends. We're not actually enemies. Huh? If I were you, Danmar, his brother, Kuya Robin Daguman, will file the cases against you. Oh. He will sue against you. He will file the lawsuit. It wasn't gonna real talk or real happening is you're going to be imprisoned, Danmar. And I'm afraid that you're going to be imprisoned. Oh. You know, Danmar Dayaw, do not create a fake account. Just like I said, when you even create a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman, as I'm a witness that you're the one who create fake account, oh, you know, you need to stop. I'm just telling to all of you, Ate Dina Guillermo, Sangkay Janjan, Eskel Penumbra, Romeo TV Vlog, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Gima Casandil, Barbie Pabelo, Kel Pabelo, and even all the Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. All of you should stop creating trolls and fake account. Especially you, Danmar. You do not know what you're talking about. You do not know you were messing at. You know, Cedric, John Mariano, he's busy in art. He has no related to politics. You're the one who ruined the art of Cedric Mariano. You're the one who framed David Gill. You're the one who framed me. This is your fault, Danmar. You know, I've been told that to J. Rick Silva, ikaw may kasalanan, Danmar. Huwag mo sisihin ng ibang tao. Like I said, you know, you are messing in the first place. You're the one who ruined Cedric's art. I'm just gonna say to you, you know, for people who were telling a truth, oh, who were not telling a lie, you are a liar. Oh. And I'm not gonna say, oh, when you know what, Danmar Dayaw, you should not belong in the Hans Inclusion Philippines. You know, Hans Inclusion Philippines of Roylan Marlang, non-political. They are not picking side with Bongbong Marcos, even Sara Duterte. Non-political. How would you ever create fake account, Danmar, huh? To troll Kuya Rodelio Daguman? To make a fake news at Rodelio Daguman? He has nothing to do with Cedric. Take a look. The Facebook group page or Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman, it's not really him. The real Facebook account with his family members, that is a real Facebook account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And hindi po yan ang totoong fake account. Yung like I said before, hindi yan totoo. It's a real account. If I were saying to you, you're making fake account. Oh, you're making a dummy account to troll everyone. If I were you, Danmar, deactivate that your pathetic fake account on Facebook, or I will shoot you a pellet gun, Danmar. Oh, that is my warning to you, Danmar. If you don't deactivate, I say to you that your Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman, I will report you to the police. Oh, deactivate that, Danmar. You do not know what you're talking about. Stop creating that your stupid fake account like Rodelio Daguman. Even you, Sangkay Janjan, at least you deactivated the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. Even you, Ate Dina Guillermo, you deactivated the fake account of David Gill. Deactivated it. All of you should never create that fake account. You know fake account means? Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Eskel Penumbra, and Romeo TV Vlog, and Teacher Kel Pabelo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Barbie Pabelo, and even the whole Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. That is a cybercrime. Who creating a fake account? I'm not really created a fake account. Oh, the past, when I made to Teacher Gio Malana, when I made Teacher Vincent Ramos, way back 2021 until 2024, I made a mistake. Oh, I was being doctorined by Marcos loyalist, and now I was being doctorined by Danmar Dayaw to ruin Teacher Vincent Ramos and Teacher Gio Malana. This is all my fault. I just want to say to both of you, I just want to apologize to Teacher Vincent Ramos and Teacher Gio Malana. I want to tell both of you, wag kayo maniwala sa mga kasinungalingan ni Danmar Dayaw. You know, Danmar is really a liar. He's a liar. At least Danmar Dayaw is in my enemy list. Oh. You know, Danmar, kung ako sa'yo, Danmar, I just want to warn you, deactivate that fake account of Rodelio Daguman, or I will show you a consequence that I will shoot you a pellet gun. You choose, Danmar. Oh. Deactivate. You're causing too much shenanigans, all of you. Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Romeo TV Vlog, oh, Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Jam Magno, and even Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, including Barbie Pabelo, that was a sister of Teacher Kel, who were Marcos loyalists, who created the fake account to troll everyone. It is very nice to create a fake account. Be responsible how to use social media. Not to create too much trolls. You know that, all of you. You make us ashamed to our country, Philippines, because of flood control. All of you praising of Bangag, Bongbong Marcos. Enough creating about dummy accounts. You know, in my YouTube vlog, I don't make fake account on Facebook. You know, for me, when I learn a lesson from Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos in current events about social media etiquette, how to use social media, oh, be responsible, be humble, oh, not to create the pathetic dummy account to ruin your, you know, you're ruining Cedric. Oh, you know, Cedric is busy in the art while Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not doing anything. Oh, he has nothing to do. Like I said before, wala naman ko po kinalaman si Rodelio sa mga kung ano-ano kay Cedric. You know, Cedric is non-political. Oh, like Kuya Rodelio Daguman is busy in the work. Not create fake account.